Good morning, Jamie. Are you ready?
Good morning, Jane. Yes, I am very excited. Today is our holiday.
Yes. Today we are going to Beijing in China.
Wow. I always wanted to visit Beijing. I want to see the big buildings and famous places.
Me too. Let's go to the airport now.
Okay, but where's my passport?
Oh no, Jamie, look in your bag.
Oh, here it is. Sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Look, Jane. We are at the airport. There are many people here.
Yes, many people are traveling today. Let's check in our bags and go through security.
Okay, here's my passport.
Good job. Let's hurry and go board the plane.
Wow, the plane is very big.
Yes, it is big and strong. Let's find our seats.
I like sitting near the window.
Me too. We can see the clouds. Wow, the clouds look like white cotton.
I feel happy. I can't wait to arrive in Beijing.
Me too. We will have many fun adventures.
We are in Beijing now.
Wow, Beijing looks amazing. I see many tall buildings.
Let's take a taxi to our hotel.
Yes, and then we can explore the city.
Jane, where are we going first?
First, we will visit the Great Wall of China.
Wow, the Great Wall is very long.
Yes, it is one of the most famous places in the world.
Let's take many photos.
Next, we will visit the Forbidden City.
The buildings are red and beautiful.
Yes, this place is very old and very important.
I feel hungry now.
Me too. Let's try some delicious Peking duck.
Yum, the duck smells so good.
This food is very famous in Beijing.
I love it. It tastes amazing.
Today was so fun.
Yes, Beijing is a wonderful city. I like the Great Wall and the tasty food.
Me too. Tomorrow we can visit more places.
Yes, this is the best trip ever.
It is. Let's go back to our hotel, Jamie.
Okay.